Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make a video using Canva. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up Canva and create a new design. So in the top right corner we're going to choose create a design, and then we're going to go with the video, which is the 1920 by 1080 pixels. Click on that, it opens up. Now, you start out with a blank page just like you do with anything else, any other designs that we've worked on using Canva. But today I also want to show you some of these templates that they have. The nice thing about one of these, or all of these, is you have the option to move and change the size of these individual pieces. So if you want to see more of this, or if you wanted to, make it where this is bigger, or you've got a picture in the middle, you have all of those options to manipulate these individual pieces. All right. Another thing that you have when you're dealing with these templates that they have is if you go up here to the top, you can see where I can adjust how much time I want to have on each panel. And I also have an option, if I click on this, says pan, but it's all of these transitions. So it says pan now, but it's not going to say pan after I click something else. But you have different choices like fade, block. So this deals with your transition and how pieces come in. All right. So depending on what kind of expression you're looking for and what kind of tone you're trying to set, you can do different options with that. All right. So you can also go in and change whatever it is that you are trying to edit, whatever information you want to put here. So I can just double click on that and I can type new info, okay, whatever it is that you want to do. You can also bring in text, original text, and do all of that, okay. So I don't want to spend a whole lot of time on that because that's stuff that we've covered previously, but being able to change and modify the transitions and all that, that is kind of new. If you don't have that option up here at the top, it might be based on your selection. You see this a lot in Illustrator and other graphic design software where when you click on something, so now I clicked on this and it changed what I was doing, okay, because now I am only messing with this object right here. When I click on this, on the slide, okay, now I am making that change to the slide. So I clicked on the background of that image and now I'm messing with that, all right. So I'm going to go to add a new page and show you a couple of things that you can do. One thing you can do is I could add photos to this, all right. I've done this earlier and searched and found a picture of a computer because I'm going to show you something that you can do with this picture. So I have a picture, and you could either have just a picture, just a static picture over to the side and have video playing next to it, or you could have your video playing inside of that box if you wanted to. So I got there by going over here to the side and choosing photos, but I also have an option down here for video. Now I can bring in video from outside just like I have before by going down here to more and bringing in some of your other objects. But today I'm really just showing you what you can do inside Canva. Okay, so we're going over to videos, and I might choose this nice picture. This is free, okay, and I can scale this down and change the size of it. I did not want to do that. There we go. Okay, I can change the size of it. I can do, remember, if you click on the corner pieces or the side pieces, then it scales differently. You crop, okay. So now I have a slide set up that when I go to it, it will have that video playing in the box there, okay? So now I've got it. So think about this as a video, but it's also like a PowerPoint presentation almost, okay? So when I made a new slide, here's my original. When I scroll up, when I scroll down, I see my next slide. So it goes to that next slide, and that's how it plays all of these different cuts, okay? And I can tell up here at the top that this video right now is set at 23 seconds, right? So if I just hit play, you'll start seeing some of the problems that you have. So that's good. I like all the transitions and everything there. That's fine. And then we go here, and it was kind of a weird little transition where this popped up, and I wanted it to appear where the computer is there and the image is on the computer and there's no transition. Also, I don't need this much time on this part of the video. Okay, so I'm going to go back out. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the slide, and instead of this being fade, I'm going to set that to none because I want it to show up, here's a computer, here's an image on a computer, and I'm good to go. Okay, so I've set that to none, and then when I click on my video, I can edit up here at the top. There's a scissors, and I can use these blue pieces to drag in the different ones to make that be a shorter amount of time. Okay, so now I can see I have cut my video down to 5.5 seconds. And when I play this, it's now 10.5 seconds. So when I hit play, you can see here's all my information. Maybe I want a picture there in the middle. I'm just showing you how to do stuff. And then it pops up and it's ready to go. It's already on the screen. Okay. So I'm not telling you to, for the purpose of this assignment, I'm not telling you to recreate what I just did, okay? I want you to create your own design using a combination of pictures, templates, videos, text, okay? If I want to come in and put in some text over here, I've got my text options, and, you know, picking a text that kind of goes with this. Let's go with this one. Okay, that one's free. So, and I've clicked it twice, so let me delete that. Okay, so, and I can do and delete different pieces here if I want to. Okay, and I can type in, I'm just double clicking to select that. Okay, and I can change whatever text I want. Okay, but then when I hit play, now that text is going to be there. So playing with images and transitions and text and video, all to make this one continuous kind of thought or presentation. All right, that's what I'm looking for. So it's not on a specific topic. You're just making a design that shows me that you understand that we're just playing around in Canva and just having fun. Okay, so you can bring in images from outside of here, or you can use the images that are already made available to you. Okay, so